Peraí, sai de cima. Oi. Aí 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colherzinhas. Peraí, rapaz, tenha calma. Tem que dar o ponto aqui da comidinha, senão não presta, não passa na seringa. Pronto, agora vamos. Agora vai. Quem vai primeiro? Chega, sai de cima dele. Tchau. Pronto, aqui, vai. Pouquinho. Pouquinho pra cada um. Não é assim que a banda toca não, viu? Pronto, deixa encher a seringa. Quem foi que não comeu ainda? Solta.
First at 11, more than a year after a man was found shot to death inside his home near Sand Lake. Murder charges filed against his wife, Glenna Duran, being held without bond tonight as the prosecutors continue to build a case against her. It's calling into question the possibility of a bizarre witness, a pet parrot who allegedly saw and heard the murder firsthand.
That's right. Fox 17's Brody Carter met with the parrot and his new owner today. He's live in the studio now with the story. Brody?
Yeah, pretty wild story for sure. A 21-year-old pet parrot named Bud, there he is right there, allegedly watching as Glenna Durham shot and killed her husband, Martin. Now traumatized from the event, having violent episodes of screaming and yelling, what some are saying are Martin's final words.
I know he's seen something pretty horrible. I know it's stuck there a little bit, you know. I know because the way his cage was positioned, he had the front row view.
An alleged front row view of Glenna Durham shooting her husband Martin to death at their home in Sand Lake.
And now he's laughing a little bit. And sadly, that's Marty's laugh.
Bud, the African parrot, is 21 years old and possibly a key witness in the ongoing murder trial.
It's something that we're going to be looking at, determining if it's reliable to use, but ultimately what we're going to look at is this a piece of information that we really need to prosecute the case?
Christina Keller, Durham's ex-wife, is Bud's caretaker now, ever since his death in May of 2015, taking this video recording only weeks after Durham was killed.
And then I was like, that is Marty's voice. And then I had to listen to the video again, like, oh my God, what is he saying?
Is he simply mimicking his former owner, Marty? Or are they his last words before being shot 5 times, including once in the head? Do you remember this? Do you remember this, buddy? In the debate of whether or not a parrot makes a sufficient witness in a murder trial, Professor Nelson Miller of Cooley Law says it's borderline crazy.
Only for the prosecutor to choose to introduce evidence of what a parrot says for some kind of maybe weak, maybe possible but weak inference about what the victim said, the decedent said just before his death would be really stretching, and I think probably unwise. You wouldn't want to be the parrot prosecutor. That's just not the way that you'd want to go.
Now, whether or not Bud the parrot will be used as a witness in the murder trial is still to be determined, but the prosecutors say nothing is out of the question. As for Glenna Durham, she was arraigned on felony firearms and first-degree murder charges. She's being held tonight without bond.
yesterday we said that we would follow up that video with what we thought about round cages. So this is JoJo's cage. Yeah. Birds like corners. So we're going to fix this cage a little bit. Make it, get a few corners. Hopefully it all works out. If not, no big loss. Pebble's going to watch and make sure that it's done correctly. Right, Pebble? Hey, are you going to make sure it's done correctly? Going to be my supervisor. So, first off, we're going to see if we can get a nice fold happening on each side here. I think we got it. I think we got it, Paula. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. Oh, you don't like those cages either, hey? That's what it needs. Another one. These cages shouldn't even be in production, right? So, we've made this cage. We've made this cage good enough. Exactly. We can throw it exactly where it belongs, right, Pebble? Right in the garbage. They suck.